Wrinkles, a natural part of aging, are most prominent and sun-exposed skin, such as the face, neck, hands, or forearms. In this remedy, I want to show you how you make your skin glow smoothly in just easier way at home. To make this remedy, we need few natural ingredients like olive oil. Olive oil plays a very effective role in this remedy. Antioxidant content olive oil may reduce aging skin and wrinkles. Next one is Vaseline. Vaseline pores your treat and wrinkles, keeping your skin moisturized. Honey. Honey can help stop wrinkles from forming, keep the skin looking young, and prevent infection on the skin that can accelerate aging. Now we make the remedy. Simply just add 1 teaspoon of olive oil into the mixture. Now just add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. In the last, you just add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it well. And the remedy is ready to use.